Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on the device. So to begin, open up the content that you wish to capture, which for me is going to use, for instance, this page on the home screen. And once it's open and visible, all you need to do is press power key and volume down, both keys at the same time. You'll get this flash and image is captured now. So that's the first way you can do it. And the second way is with your palm, just swipe across the device. So let me actually position it so I can actually swipe it. You can see the effect is the same. And now there should be two images, or actually three because I captured before one, checking if the palm one works. So we can go into our gallery app. And in here you can see there is a folder called screenshots and albums, and there's the three screenshots that I have captured. So that is how you would capture a screenshot on this device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.